It's still popular, it's entertaining, some say it's satisfying to watch. Others like to listen to the sound. What is it, you might ask? It's slime. As Easter is on its way, this Easter Bunny fluffy slime is the perfect craft or gift for the kiddos. And it's scented with our P&J jelly bean. So, how do you do it? Let's get to it. Let us know how you liked this Easter Bunny slime in the comments below. And we hope you have a great Easter day.